welcome back to our channel, and we are in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga to feature this massive industrial design property located in close proximity to schools, malls, hospitals, name it guys, all major business establishment. And this property is semi-furnished, and of course, it has a pool areas. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Yes, I did mention that this property is massive because its lot area is 351 and the floor area natin is approximately 700 square meters floor area. Kaya umpisahan na natin. This is your facade. You can see sloped siya. And your gate, this is an automated gate. Ayan na. Automated gate, dito yung iyong service door, which is actually massive din. Malaki din yung service door natin. There. This is your service door. Pero papasok tayo sa ating carport para makita nyo na kung gaano siya kaluwang. Bias na naman tayo dahil corner lot to, kaya aside from spacious siya, grand pa yung dating niya because you know how corner lots gives that additional grand look sa yung property. Pasok na tayo sa carport. Elevated property, 2-car carport, fully covered guys. This door is an access going to your auxiliary kitchen. Napapakita natin later, but for now, show ko muna yung dito. You have your maid's room at meron din siyang toilet and bath. So magkahiwalay yung maid's room and toilet and bath. Alright, lakad na tayo. And then here, see, ito yung sa pagpasok nyo dun sa service gate, sa entrance. You will be welcomed by, of course, it's elevated. And you have this plant box here. So nice. Your canopy. This is your door, but papakita muna natin yung around the property so that you'll appreciate how big yung property natin. Baba tayo dito. This is your garden. You have a pool, you have a garden. This is your powder room. Actually, pwede na siyang full bath kasi may space siya for your shower, which, taran, makikita natin sa mga clips natin. This is another door na papakita namin pagpasok natin kasi mas maganda siyang, mas ma-appreciate niyo siya pag from there tayo. This is your laundry area, and as you can see, yung canopy natin, clear glass tayo para hindi madilim. Yun. So, pagdating mo dito, you have your natural light. And of course, you have a sink there. May mga socket ka dyan. The washing machines are both included. And aside from your 2-car carport, you also have another parking here sa side. Since this is a corner lot, so yung isang side, you still have another parking for one. This property is pre-owned. So you will see may mga gamit po tayo. But upon turnover, of course, magiging clean po ang ating property. This is a storage room. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan dahil marami siyang gamit. And then this one is an access door going to your pool area na pupunta na natin ngayon. Oh, so this is an access going to your pool area. At meron ka ng powder room and shower room. This is your powder room. Basic, you have your vessel type sink, you have your toilet, of course your vanity mirror, and this is your shower room. So hiwalay yung powder room and hiwalay yung shower room natin. Ay, ang spacious na shower room. Stainless steel shower set. At ito yung iyong for your towels. Shower area because dito na yung ating pool area. This is your pool area. This is your pool area. Diba? Ganun siya, kaya siya from there, yung access mo to your shower room, very malapit lang siya. It's massive, guys. You can do lapses and it's really good for gatherings talaga. Also have a jacuzzi here, which is also heated. No? It can be a children pool. Though hindi naman po ganun kataas yung pool natin, but it was for kids, and it's convertible to a jacuzzi. Meron tayong wood design tiles. You have plants there. And I want to show you this kasi this can be an extension. This is another room, which is playroom nila. But if you want to convert it into, if you have a gathering, pwede ka dito maglagay ng mga food. This can be an extension of your, dining area kasi doon lang yung dining area mo. It's covered. The aircon is included. Dito yung iyong pool area. And this is your dining area. Diba? So it can be an extension if you have your gatherings. This is your dining area, and as you can see, kita naman kung gaano kalaki yung ating 10-seater table. And I think this is acacia, solid acacia table po, guys. Pagdating natin dito, included, these are all included. This is your peninsula kitchen. Meron kang mga stools there. You have 2 stools here. You still have 4 stools there. This can be your breakfast nook or your preparation area. Industrial design drop light, double bowl stainless steel sink. At this one, hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo nung pumasok tayo. Yung view dito sa window na to is yung sa harap, doon sa stairs going to your 3rd level. Yes, we have a 3rd level and you need to watch out for that. This is included. And ayan, may storage ka pa dito. This is for your pantry. At of course, if you have your peninsula kitchen, your formal kitchen, you also have your auxiliary kitchen. This is your auxiliary kitchen. Your auxiliary kitchen has a built-in cooker. You also have your double bowl stainless steel sink. You have your storage. And of course, itong door na to, itong door na to, this is an access going to the pool area. And this other door naman is the door dun sa parking kanina. Diba? Like for example, your groceries. Hindi mo na kailangan pumasok to your living area, diretso ka na sa kitchen mo para ibaba yung mga groceries and other items. Next, this is your this door. Remember the door? Remember the room kanina? This is another door going to that room. Ganda, no? And this one. This is a powder room na favorite ko actually. Very spacious. Powder room. Your vessel type sink. Storage ka dyan. And ang cute ang design ng wall kasi minaximize niya yung under the staircase. Or actually under your, it's under the staircase kasi yung 2nd level na yun doon eh. You have your wood design. Tiles, and these are real wood. Next, this is your skylight living area. Skylight ang ating living area, as you can see, no? Industrial design siya, pero nababalanse ng natural light because since industrial design is more on blacks, having daylight or daylighting would, balance yung color ng ating property. Ito yung corner, which is made of your glass window and kasama po ang ating curtains. I'll just show you yung entrance natin kanina. Hindi natin to pinasukan eh. But this is your foyer, your receiving area. This is your door. Ito yung entrance door natin with a smart lock. And then on your level 1, your ground floor, this is your living area. Meron tayong mga accent dyan. You have ceiling fan as well. But the aircon is included just in case na ayaw nyong mag-aircon kasi ma-press ko siya eh. This one, it's not just an accent wall, but also this is a secret door na sana mabuksan ko. Ayan. Going to remember the door na pinakita ko sa labas kanina sa side. Dito yan. So as of now, this is their shoe room. But this can be converted to any room that you would want it to be. Shoe room, pwede siya. Or, any bag room, pwede rin. Or other storage, pwede. Ito yung door kanina palabas. Pakita ko para makita niya. So this is your secret room. Next is your guest room. So you have a 1-bedroom sa yung ground floor. This is your guest room. The bed is included, the aircon is included. I think this is a queen-size bed. As you can see, spacious po ang ating guest room. Maluwang pa dito. I think this is, so you have a control sa light. This is where you're gonna mount your TV. And meron siyang ensuite toilet and bath. This is your toilet and bath Full bath po tayo. I'll start here. Spacious, vessel type sink, vanity mirror, and dito, this is your shower area with the sliding tempered glass door. There. Spacious. Next. Ang luwang, oh. Oh, I'll show you this one kasi baka built-in cabinet, of course. At paglabas natin, tapos na tayo sa first floor, akit na tayo sa second floor. But before that, I just want to show you your gorgeous stairs. You have wood planks, wood handrail, and ang kanyang, diba? Not your usual staircase kasi ito, pure glass po tayo. But of course, you have some metal for support. But this is very, very safe. Hit na tayo. Landing is safe as well. This is your second floor. Ikot tayo to the left. Dito you have a view deck ng yung living area. Yung kitchen. Yan. So, kita mo pa rin sa baba. Okay. Una na tayo dito sa first bedroom natin. Actually, it's your library or you can convert it to study room office and you also have your bay window. Favorite ko talaga yung mga bay windows. Yan. Yung sa may corner. Aircon is included. Dito, pwede ka maglagay ng plants, console. Let's skip this one. This is your master. This is a balcony to your master. Dito na tayo. Another bedroom. See, spacious siya. Ang ganda kasi makikita nyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyong ilagay, no? I think this is a full-size bed or it's the one before queen size. So, mas mali siya ng konti sa queen size. Spacious dito. As you can see, meron ka pang study area. You have your built-in cabinet. And you also have your ensuite toilet and bath. Ang ganda, no? Kasi all corners na maximize siya. Meron talaga siyang function at nagawa ng paraan ng architect. This is your vanity mirror, vessel type sink. And this is your enclosed shower area. Stainless steel shower set. Spacious siya. Sasara ang ating tempered glass. Okay, next. Another bedroom at, as you can see, I did mention na na-maximize yung every sulok ng bahay na to. This is your bedroom. It's loft type. The aircon is included. Meron siyang sarili niyang balcony. Yan, ito yung balcony natin. We'll show you sa clips natin again. At, of course, ensuite toilet and bath. Still na-maximize ang ating space. Vessel type sink. Wow. Vanity mirror. Sliding ang ating enclosed shower area. Oh. Uy, ang ganda talaga nitong property na to. Kanina ko pa tinitiis yung kilig ko. Kasi ang dami kong gustong nakikita. Okay. Ayan. Under the stairs, paakyat sa loft mo, meron kang mga cabinets. Next. Another bedroom, guys. Spacious din, and it's still loft type. You can put, as you can see, you can put your bed here and sa taas. Built-in cabinet. You still have more space here for your stuff. Ayun. Paano gusto kong umakyat? Sige, akyat tayo. Para makita nyo. There. Okay. Spacious yung loft natin. Actually, kasyang king-size bed dito. But if you want to have more space, full bed or queen-size bed, para marami ka pang space. But very spacious siya. Aircon is included. You also have your windows here. Doon. So, hindi siya mainit. You also have a window dito na if you want natural light, of course, just tataas lang natin to. Okay. Ensuite toilet and bath. Oh, okay. So, dito tayo. Sige. Your shower area, enclosed shower area, sliding door. Diba? Stainless steel shower set. Your toilet. At dito, nandito yung iyong vessel type sink. I'll show you. This is your vessel type sink. Marami ka pa pwedeng ilagay. Your vanity mirror na sobrang, aray ko, napukpok yung kamay ko. Na sobrang laki. Diba? Very nice. Spacious and very elegant. Let's go. Paglabas mo, oh, you will not miss your built-in cabinet. Next room, let's go. Next room. Going to your third level, I'll show you later. Yan. I love how they designed yung loft type. Diba? Oh. Loft type din to. This is a single bed. But kasha pa yan if you put a queen size or king size. Queen size, perfect pa rin siya. You still have space. Ay, sorry po sa electric fan. Ayan. May shelves ka dito. Meron kang storage dito sa baba. You can still put a study table or vanity mirror. Pwede rin. Sa taas, akyat tayo. Dito yung iyong built-in cabinet. But of course, movable naman to eh. Yeah, it's movable. There. Spacious pa rin. Dito yung iyong ensuite toilet and bath. Okay. Usual shape. Vessel type sink, vanity mirror, toilet, shower area, sliding door. Floor to ceiling, guys. Floor to ceiling lahat ang mga tiles natin sa lahat ng mga bedrooms natin. And finally, punta na tayo sa master's bedroom. Okay. I'll show this first. This is a common balcony. Yeah. Pero may access ka from your master bedroom going to this balcony. Ayan. O, diba? Coffee table, hindi ko na sinabi. Nandiyan na siya. You also have a view of your pool area. Ang gorgeous naman. Alright. So, pasok tayo doon sa main door ng yung master bedroom so that you'll appreciate it more. Tignan niyo yung mga, mga knobs natin. Diba? Those are not just simple knobs. Smart lock pa ang ating master's bedroom. Welcome! This is your master bedroom. And as you can see, yan, ito yung TV console. You have here, yan. I need to make sure if these are all included. We'll let you know sa recap. But, eto, king size bed. With bed frame, definitely included po yan. Aircon is included. And as you can see, maximize yung design ng bawat sulok. Because, bukod sa may sofa ka na dito, ito yung kanina. Diba? Your balcony 1. Diba? Balcony 1 for your master bedroom. But ito, you have your bay window. So nice. Diba? Spacious pa. Kasya pa nga ang isang bed dito eh. Double size bed, kasya pa siya. And here, ang ganda nito kasi kinikilig ako. Pagpasok mo, walk-in closet with your vanity, mirror, vanity area, full-size mirror. Diba? So perfect for your ladies. And here, for your bags, cabinets din itong mga ito. At of course, dito yung iyong master bathroom. Enclosed shower area, black color stainless steel shower set, toilet. So, undermount yung sink natin. Alam niyo na kung saan yung sa babae. Dito tayo. Sa lalaki doon, dito yung sa babae. Always sa right side yung sa babae. And look at your vanity mirror with LED light pa yan sa back. And there you go, you have your bathtub. Ganda naman ang size nito. Bathtub jacuzzi to eh. It's a bathtub jacuzzi. There. Okay. Parang meron akong hindi napakita dito. There's another door. And this door goes to another balcony. Your first balcony, yung common balcony kanina with the coffee table. This is your second balcony. Your second balcony, tama, is the one that is facing yung you'll get the view of the facade of the property. Ang spacious, no? And going to your second balcony, yung stairs kanina dun sa harap. Dito yon. Since nandito na tayo, dito na ba tayo dadaan, sir? Paakyat na tayo sa ating third level. This is your third level or your roof deck. So pagpasok, pag-akyat mo, you have a sink here. At may little, ano ka dito? May little balcony ka dito. It's a little balcony. And little balcony sa roof deck. Ang ganda nito. Hindi lang natin mabuksan yung mga ilaw, but this is a powder room. There. Powder room, your sink, your toilet. And tignan mo naman yung ano, sobrang presko dito. For gatherings, diba? So perfect. Meron kang function room. Right now, this is a gym/music room. And, diba, your full body mirror. It has, okay, this is a storage room. Di ko nabubuksan kasi maraming gamit. Sliding door. As you can see. Ay, ito pala. There. Labas tayo para mas makita nyo. Ayan. Meron pa dito, but from here kasi, may view ka naman ng skylight, living area. Diba? So nice naman. And so, ito yung door papaba sa ating second floor and sa loob. Kasi kanina umakyat tayo from the outside, no? So, dito naman tayo yung papasok. And ayun nga, nakapasok na tayo sa ating property, kaya recap. Let's go na para sa ating recap. And for our recap, again, this is a 3-story industrial design property located in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, in close proximity to all major business establishments. And for other details, we'll show you yung mga details natin per level. So this is your details around the house. Level 1, level 2, and 3. But further details po, you can message us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can book your shippings there. You can message us on Facebook, Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. You can also follow me on TikTok and Alalu and Instagram account. You can book your shippings there because I'll be posting a teaser before po ma-post yung full house tour natin sa YouTube channel po natin. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Enna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Markets, groceries. Ay, sandali na. Nabura yung mga iniisip ko. You're able to get more updates on our videos. Nakita mo ba ito? Sige. So before we ulit. This is Rose Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties.